right. So today you're going to do the quest how to use Noodle tools. So starting on the first item of your quest, when you're researching, you're using information that was created by other people, and you need to give credit by creating a works cited. A works cited can be easily created using the tools, Noodle tools. North Shore students have access to Noodle tools by going to Clever or my.nsd.org and clicking on the Noodle tools icon, and then we can go ahead and get started. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go to Clever, and on Clever, under like library resources, library and research, and click on Noodle tools. Nope, not that one. Noodle tools. Okay, so if it is the first time you have logged into Noodle tools, oftentimes it will ask you to clarify what school you're going to. So you can click Timbercrest, and then you can choose your graduation date. If you don't know your graduation date, you can choose a year and call it good. So the quest walks us through how to do this. So if you need a reminder, it talks about how to create a new project, and it's that little button there. So I'm going to show you new project, titling it research mini paper. It already exists. How many of these tutorials have I done? Okay, MLA format, and we want advanced. We say submit. And we go to sources, and we say new source, and we say database, and original content from database. And then since we already have the citation, we're going to click on the quick cite, and we go to our Google Doc, and we copy our first citation and paste. We don't want it bolded, and we say save. And then we do the same for the second source, database, original content, quick cite, go back, copy, paste. I don't know why it automatically bolds it, but I don't want it bolded. Save. Go back. Third source, copy, new source, database, original content in database, quick cite, and paste. And again, if I'm going too fast, the quest on Classcraft walks you through everything. The last thing that we will do is print and export to Google Docs. And for your quest, you could just give the link. So you can click that share, and then make sure it's shared with people in North Shore. So it says restricted, only people added can open this link. I'm going to change that to everyone in North Shore. Copy link. And then in Classcraft, one of the last things will be, talks about export to Google Docs, upload or attach, or you can paste the link. And then next week, after you write your paper, you'll just paste it at the end, and you are done.